Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Karibi ni atiga andu mahotetwo orere ciana iratanywo gucokereria cukuru, na gitumi gia Karibi gutiga andu mahotetwo ni mbica arekereria kuona kahi gake karia kahurukire kugera mutino muru wa barabara makiuma cukuru gakwagire gukorwo karia Mang. Ciana iria iracoka cukuru kiumia giki, Karibi arekereria mbica ici akionania uria ciana arata to his late son Joseph Mwandulo ikimucereire mucii gwake orere maragitanywo gucokereria cukuru. Karibi ari na maithori ma gikeno akiandika, and I quote, "My home is constantly flooded with the Dulo's friends and they all call me mom, which honestly warms my heart. Motivational talks, heartily loves, the word and prayers as they go back to school. Hashtag live long Dulo, hashtag mama boys, hashtag Saturday." Joseph Mwandulo akuire ari muruto wa kirathi gia form 4 cukuru wa Shavakari High. Mwanake urahurukire ari na miaka 17. Karibi sharing these photos akionania wendo munene aramukira as she continues to mourn her son. Murumiriri uyu wa Karibi akiuga ati Dulo must have lived speaking highly of his mom for his friends to care this much. Now you have an army of sons, you are highly blessed. Shugo ilia ciagikorwo igeikirio Karibi, ona Karibi onake akiruta miario yake orere ciana iracoka cukuru, ciana ikimucerera kumuumiriria na kumwira bye, kuona ni agikorirwo agitigwo ni kana gake Joseph Mwandulo karia karagereire gukorwo gagithie na mbere na mathomo ma kirathi gia form 4. Tugathie na mbere na gutuma hugs cito kuri Karibi na family yake ri othe gukinyia ndeto yo hau ndikumitenderithia makiria. Thengi muno ni undu wa guthie na mbere kunyitanira na ithwe. Tucemanie na next one.